Did you know that everyday products like cleaners, skincare, and even certain foods might be exposing you to hidden toxins that increase inflammation? These environmental toxins can build up over time, especially as we age, making it harder for our bodies to stay balanced. According to research from the Environmental Working Group, low-level exposure to these toxins can trigger inflammation, impacting our health in subtle but serious ways. Today, we'll talk about how to reduce exposure to hidden toxins and make cleaner choices for a healthier life. Let's start with why certain toxins contribute to inflammation and how they affect the body. Environmental toxins include substances like pesticides, household chemicals, heavy metals, and even certain preservatives in foods. According to research from Johns Hopkins Medicine, when these toxins enter the body, they can disrupt cellular processes and lead to the release of inflammatory markers. This can cause low-grade, chronic inflammation over time, which can increase the risk for age-related diseases. As we age, our natural detox systems slow down, making it harder to clear these substances effectively. This is why making cleaner choices becomes more essential for managing inflammation. Have you ever noticed feeling off after using certain products or eating certain foods? I'd love to know if you've experienced this. It's something many people don't connect to inflammation. Next, let's look at some common household products that may contain hidden toxins and better alternatives. Household cleaners, air fresheners, and certain plastic containers can contain chemicals that are linked to inflammation. For example, the Environmental Protection Agency notes that compounds like phthalates, often found in plastic containers and some scented products, may disrupt hormones and trigger inflammatory responses. Switching to non-toxic cleaners, using glass containers for food storage, and choosing unscented or naturally scented products can help reduce toxin exposure. Even simple steps like ventilating your home after cleaning can lower indoor toxin levels. Have you tried switching to any natural or non-toxic household products? I'd love to hear what's working for you. Let's explore the impact of skincare and personal care products on inflammation and how to make cleaner choices. Skincare and personal care products like lotions, soaps, and cosmetics can contain ingredients that trigger inflammation. The Environmental Working Group highlights chemicals like parabens, formaldehyde, and synthetic fragrances, which are common in personal care products and can irritate the skin or disrupt hormones. Look for products labeled as paraben-free, fragrance-free, or with certifications like EWG verified. Choosing cleaner skincare not only reduces toxin exposure, but can also make a noticeable difference in skin health and reduce inflammatory reactions. Have you made any swaps in your skincare routine? I'd be interested to know if you've noticed any improvements. Finally, let's talk about a few simple changes you can make for a cleaner, toxin-free lifestyle. Reducing toxin exposure doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are a few simple swaps to get started. Choose organic foods. Buying organic fruits and vegetables can reduce pesticide exposure, especially for high-residue produce like strawberries and spinach. Use natural cleaning products. Switching to eco-friendly or homemade cleaners with ingredients like vinegar and baking soda can cut down on chemicals. Opt for filtered water. Using a water filter can help remove impurities and reduce exposure to heavy metals. Small changes like these can have a big impact over time by lowering inflammation levels and supporting overall health. Are there any toxin-free swaps you found helpful? I'd love to hear any additional tips you might have. Reducing environmental toxins is one of the most effective ways to manage inflammation and protect your health as you age. By making cleaner choices in the products we use every day, we can support our body's natural defenses and reduce inflammation. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps toward a healthier lifestyle.